So in example 7, we're going to go over the transformations of a log graph. The transformations in the graph and the function that gives us, there are two things that are happening. It says part A says describe the transformations necessary to transform the graph. So we're going to have to figure out what two transformations are happening. First of which, the one in the back is an up one transformation. That is your up and down shift. The two that's up on or in the X with your parentheses, that is a left and right shift, but remember that it's opposite. So instead of going to left 2, this one actually goes to the right 2. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and figure out what the asymptote is going to be. So remember, on a normal log graph, our asymptote is here. If I'm going to the right 2, my asymptote is going to shift to the right 2. Up and down does not move the asymptote at all, so I don't have to worry about that happening. So my asymptote went from x equals 0 to x equals positive 2. So now I'm going to write down the domain and range. Remember that the original domain and range of a log graph, here's what it originally looks like that, is 0 to infinity. And then y is all real numbers. The range did not change at all because it doesn't matter how we shift it up and down because it's still going down to infinity and up to infinity. The domain, though, is affected because we're shifting it to the right. So our 0 is going to change to a 2 because it went from 0 to 2 over here. So the domain is 2 to infinity, and the range is all real numbers. Okay. And then it says sketch the graph, or sketch y equals f of x, and then the line y equals x on the same graph, hence sketch the inverse on the same axis. So what we're going to do is we're going to sketch what this graph would look like, a basic sketch. I'm not going to plug in any numbers or anything like that. I'm just going to find the main two parts, which is the where the old x-intercept would be and the asymptote. So over here, we're going to shift our main spots, which are these two. So we're going to go to the right 2, there's the asymptote, and then the point 1, 0 is going to shift up 1, right 2. So up 1, right 2. And there we go.